You know when you're scrolling through Instagram, as one does, and there's that one photo that catches your eye. 5 years ago, there was this one particular photo that completely took over me. And it wasn't until after that group tour that I actually saw it. I was scrolling through Instagram to look at the places that I just went to, and here's that photo. Okay, this isn't the exact photo from 5 years ago. I'm just gonna scroll back far enough. But that's pretty much what that photo looked like. Alright guys, we're sorted here at the car rentals. Let's start the road trip. We're here at the famous Memorial Arch, and I guess it signifies the start of the Great Ocean Road. I'm so excited for this leg of the trip. Let's do it! So I was looking through my phone, right, and checking the weather app, and I think we have one morning to get the shot. I think we might actually have the perfect conditions tomorrow, which is our only day, and then we have to go home the day after. So if everything lines up well, I'll be so happy to get this dream shot. So yeah, knowing that fact, I feel way more pressure, but we have to move forward. So we hop back in the car and we make our way to this truly breathtaking view in the southern coasts of Australia. No drones. Fair enough. My goodness. Look at that. We're at the Gibson Steps. And it's pretty much these steps right the side of the cliff to get down to the beach. As you can see, we're literally right by the cliff. And there's stones carved out, made of steps. Oh, there's steps carved out. There's steps carved out of stone or the rock. And yeah, I've been here ages ago, and I've always wanted to come back on my own time, go down all the way to the beach, and yeah, just have a good time here. So we came up those stairs all the way up there. That's crazy. Look at the size of this cliff walls, stretching all the way to that end, and look at this here, my goodness. So naturally, we took our cameras out and snapped away for the next 1 to 1.5 hours.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait.
Gibson Beach was an absolute stunner. Like honestly, being able to watch sunset there was immaculate.
Talk for hours and never slept.
I'm honestly so blown away by the landscape here, down like at the south coast of Melbourne. It's just stunning. It's beautiful here. And I hope you guys can come here one day. It makes me so much more excited for tomorrow. I really got my hopes up, so hopefully, fingers crossed, that we're gonna get a shot.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we...
Good morning, everyone. Ooh, it's 6:30 a.m. We are one man down, one woman down. Alex isn't here, but it's all good. We'll try and get this shot. The sun has literally come up, and so the drone shouldn't have an issue in terms of lighting anyway. We're only about a 5 to 10 minutes drive from our motel, so yeah, definitely not far at all. And the skies are clear. It's perfect conditions today. and it could just be today only. We have to leave tomorrow, so this is the only chance. So finally I get there, right? I start walking and I see this sign. I'm not gonna lie, but it definitely got my heart pumping. I think looking back at it now, I didn't need to worry about anything or anyone at 6 a.m. So we have made it to Lockhart Gorge, and wow, here's the viewpoint, guys. It is stunning. Look at that. That looks incredible. Knowing what it said on the sign, I have to admit, I did get pretty nervous when I was setting the drone up, but I needed the bird to fly. Guys, I think we actually got it. Oh my god, my heart was pumping there and I was like, oh my goodness. But there literally was no one at Lockhart Gorge. Honestly, that was so exhilarating, even though it was such a quiet and peaceful morning. But I think I got it. I'm gonna have to go back home, look at the footage, look at the photos, and I hope that I got my bucket shot. So, guys, oh man, what a journey it was. Now obviously I didn't get the shot that I was going for, because honestly, when I looked over the fence, I was pretty scared, even just the thought of standing near the cliff edge, like the bridge line. So, did I get the bucket shot? Well, I'd say